Cities across Hampton Roads are preparing for potential flooding across our area.
As Dorian crawls up the coast, public works crews are doing what they normally do before a storm. That includes clearing out storm drains and ditches. 10 on your side's Kayla Gaskins reports from Norfolk.
Well, the city of Norfolk is preparing for potential flooding as Hurricane Dorian gets closer and closer. They're ramping up their efforts, cleaning out drainage ditches and cleaning out these storm drains. Now, this is one of 3 Vector trucks that are around the city going through these stormwater drains, making sure that they are clear and they're able to take any extra water that these streets might see. Again, there are three of these trucks going around the city. They are going to clean 60 drains each today. This is a normal maintenance for the city of Norfolk. These trucks are out and about all the time. However, on a normal day, they only do about half of the drains that they're doing today. So they're ramping up that number, and they're also ramping up crew hours. Officials with the city of Norfolk tell me that they are going to be continuing doing operations like this throughout tomorrow to make sure that they can keep our roadways clear. In Norfolk, I'm Kayla Gaskins, 10 on your side.